What's happening? We pulling some motors today?
Yeah, the usual.
Rib nut tool thingy.
Oh, thank you.
In the arm.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Yeah, I went ahead and got all the things done for the bars that I needed. I've got 9 out of 10 pre-order. What did you do to your forehead?
It's a long story.
What's on there?
It's a little band-aid. It's actually like way overkill for how big the cut is now. Our mutual friend Andy was helping me out the other day. I was doing the VTC swap, and yeah, so be careful assembling the VTCs. You can get them out of line, and I did that, didn't quite realize it. The cam got jammed on there, so it was stuck, trying to pull it off. Andy was holding on to the VTC. I was yanking on the gear, and you can see like I had to get kind of up on it, like that. Unfortunately, I was above it, came free, and the sharp end of the back of the cam went right into my forehead. I was bleeding all over the place. It was fun. Highly recommend it.
Yeah, we're gonna be pulling his little D series out today, so obviously very OEM, and now he's ruining the whole car. There was some clapped one just chasing me down on the freeway, some kid. It was like blue hood missing 2 of the mirrors, steelies and everything.
He's like, I got the lightweight mods.
But yeah, well, anyway, welcome to today's video. So that's basically what we got going on today. If you guys don't already know, Doge is doing a case swap. If you guys watched the last video, you kind of understand that. But today is just gonna be pulling the motor out. He hit me up last night and was like, swap time, and I was like, sure, got nothing else going on. So let's get started, shall we? Pretty straightforward. We've done this 1,000 times. So we're just pulling this motor, and then he's got a lot of prep work to do. So where are we at?
Just draining stuff. I was trying to get all the kind of annoying tasks out of the way, so wasn't gonna eat up time while we're waiting for things to drain. So just draining the radiator right now. Oil's out. I disconnected the clutch, some of the electrical. Just about ready to disconnect the ECU and pull the wires back through that way. So
that was the one thing that a lot of you guys made comments on the video with the CRV. Is I disconnected the whole engine harness off the engine. I didn't realize that you had to go through the firewall on the EKs and CRVs. So good little trick now that I know that you can just do that. Makes life so much faster. Just unplug it from the main harness and pull it all off with the engine. But in that case, once the fluids are drained, you're going to pull these wheels off, yank these axles out, and then just unhook the fuel lines, unhook the main part of the harness here, unhook the hoses, throttle cable. Looks like it's already disconnected and all that up here. So yeah, unbolt the mounts and yeet it.
Are they all done then? Sorry, at least I have a little bit left.
Shout out Ryobi. I didn't even think this thing could pull an axle nut off. I need one of these.
I'd rather spend the money in the car. Do that while I had the camera point the other way.
Magical. Glorious. Still too thick to come through. Come in. Come in. There we go. Had I known this for that freaking CRV, this would have made life...
Would have been 20 times easier, right?
20 times faster.
Yeah. Yeah, it's really nice. Like I say, you just chuck it up there and call it a day.
Yeah. Some long throw what?
Ranches.
Ranches.
Actually really nice.
Will I electrocute myself?
I was impressed. I got the ratcheting board here for you.
Oh dear. Cool.
So we talked about this in a previous video. Please do yourself a favor. Go to Home Depot, wherever sells drip pins. Get yourself a punch. And this is a 1/4 inch pin punch. That makes life so much easier with the bitch clip. That takes 10 seconds. It's really not an issue. You can use a bigger hammer if you want to. You can use a engineering sledge or whatever, like a 3-pounder, and it takes like 2 swings and it's done. Just as long as you get enough throw, you can just pop it right out, and they're no big deal.
Unless you're poor like me, then just use an AC compressor bolt. I thought it smelled like IPA and homosexuality.
It's weird. Lately, they're sounding pretty attractive. Yeah.
Your tie rods didn't even, they just came out by hand.
Okay, that's all. Man, the steering rack really sucks. But it's been rattling like a motherfucker. It's funny, I'm doing all this, I'm like, man, Chris, I feel like they were just doing this.
Yeah, right.
Back in September or October.
If that. Okay, axles are ready to pop out. Ready to drain it.
I was expecting it to be just disgusting, but it doesn't even look like it's fouled with whatever bearing's failing. What is going on? It's too tight to do by hand.
Ready? Oh.
Yeah, go for it. Almost there. Chris is gonna start. I was gonna say Chris is gonna start dancing.
Pisser. Oh, I thought I already listened to it. She even come.
Why is it the clamp is always where you want to put your hand? You just slice the crap out of your hands trying to do it. I think. Oh, brake booster.
Our motor's ready to come out. We're gonna try and pull it from the top. We got the engine hoist lacking a little bit on the rooms here, but we gotta pull the bumper off because he's a low boy. Stance Nation.
Stance Nation.
Everything do be disconnected. Got this thing to yank it with.
Scooch. Any 10 mils? Any more 10 mils?
I don't know. So the control arm's popped out, so we gotta jack the front end up and roll it back by hand to get the hoist up here.
A little more?
We can try that. Oh, what am I doing?
What's the famous ChrisSadowski, you know?
almost dead.
Oh.
I don't know, freaking. Well, it was Taco Tuesday. Oh, today's Thursday, isn't it?
Is it Taco Thursday?
Thick Thursdays. Doge literally just set the camera down. And I went over here to check the size on the top nut here, and I just barely tapped the trigger. And I just broke the dipstick handle.
I always wondered how those got broke, because they're always fucking
They
broke.
are, yeah. You asshole.
That's how they let people like me near them.
That's what you ever use power tools for every goddamn thing.
Well, that was a lot easier.
Yeah.
Just need more power, bud.
Gotta count the
Now he
three.
needs a vice grip for his oil.
Sorry, whoever's getting this engine.
He can pinch it.
That wasn't one piece.
Cut your knuckle on the valve cover while you're at it.
Yeah. Slit your hand open on the belt. Alright, Ramon, you gonna do the honors?
Just get it pumping it up.
Make sure we're not.
We ain't killing anything.
A little more?
Yeah, we should be good. We can
We're
just,
alright.
yeah. Finagle this out. Yeah, we're good. Alright, old reliable's out.
Did its best.
Yeah, ready to go to a new home. So if anybody local wants it, how much you want for it?
A couple hundred.
Full swap.
250, 300?
For the full swap?
Yeah.
250, 300 for the full swap.
Whatever you guys feel like.
Yeah.
$50 will go to Dowski's Patreon. If you give me 300.
It's his OnlyFans.
Yeah,
OnlyFans.
my super chat for my videos, for my premieres. But yeah, so if anybody actually wants it, so like he seriously, he doesn't need it. So lots of prep work to do, and by lots I mean none, because I mean it's a EK, so it just bolts right in because you're a lucky little slut duck. So
Did all the prep work, and hopefully it's just execution now.
This dipstick's gonna ding you though.
$3.99.
Shout out ChrisSadowski Fabrication to make a new one.
Oh no. It's weight reduction, man. That's pretty good. Highly efficient weight reduction.
All right. Just do some plastic welding or some duct taping, and you'll be fine.
Oh god.
There you go. Oh
Go left.
Gang, gang. Did you even let your car warm up before you started beating the piss out of it?
I drove it a little bit earlier.
Yeah, earlier.
Hey, if VTEC engages, Honda says it's okay to VTEC. That's all I gotta say.
So the motor's pulled, everything is copacetic. Like I said, he just has some cleaning and stuff to do. We just got some lunch and calling it an early day. Got what we needed to do done. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please be sure to let me know in the comments down below. If you're new to the channel, hopefully you've considered subscribing. If you want to follow Doge on Instagram, keep up with his K-Swap, hit him up at DogeS2000. If you want to follow me on Instagram, it already flew across the screen at some point in this video, so hit me up at ChrisSadowski. If you want to help support the channel, I do have a Patreon. I also have merch, some new stuff, new long sleeves and t-shirts in the big cartel, so hit the link in the description for that. And not sure what's coming up next. Hopefully next week we can start putting Doge's motor in, and we'll see you guys for that one. So do what you love, think about the rest. Take it easy. Peace out.